around your room right now. What can you see? Can you describe your room in English? Maybe you see a bed, a chair, a table, a laptop. You already know this word, but can you use them in a sentence? Let's find out. Welcome to day 6 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. Today we describe your room together. And remember, don't just watch this video. Look around. Speak with me. Let's begin. Quick warm up. First, look around your room. Find three things you can see. Ready? Listen to my sentence. I can see a laptop on the table. Now, look around your room and say one sentence about something you see. Good. Here is another sentence. There is a chair next to the table. Now look around. Can you describe one object? Excellent. You are already speaking English. Let's continue. Step 1. What can you see? Let's start with things around you. Listen and repeat. I can see a bed in my room. Your turn. I can see table near the window. Your turn. I can see laptop on the table. Your turn. Now look around your room and choose any object you see and describe it one simple sentence. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just speak. Great. You are not just learning words now, you are using them to communicate. Step 2. Where are things? Now let's practice describing where things are. Listen. My phone is on the table. Your turn. My shoes are under the bed. Your turn. My chair is next to my desk. Your turn. My bag is near the door. Your turn. Now look around your room, find an object and tell me where it is. For example, my books are on the table. Now you look around and speak. Very good. You are getting better. Step 3. Describe your room. Now let's talk about your room as a whole. Listen. My room is small, but it's comfortable. Your turn. My room is clean and quiet. Your turn. There is a bed near the window. Your turn. Now put your ideas together. Listen. My room is small but it's comfortable. There is a bed near the window. There is a desk next to my bed. My laptop is on the desk. Now it's your turn. Look around your room and describe in your own words. Take your time. Excellent. That's what real English conversation practice. Step 4. Let's talk about your favorite things. Now let's make your English more interesting. Look around your room. What is your favorite thing? Maybe it's your laptop. Maybe it's your bed. Maybe it's your book. Maybe it's something special to you. Listen to my example. My favorite thing in my room is my laptop. I use it every day for work, learning, and entertainment. Now, your turn. Look at your favorite thing and tell me about it. Now tell me why you like it. For example, I like my laptop because I use it to learn new things. Your turn. Great. You are now giving information and explaining your opinion. That's exactly what we want. Day 6 speaking challenge. Now it's time for you. Day 6 challenge. This time I won't give you sentences. You will speak on your own. You have 30 seconds. Look around your room and talk about what you see. And tell me, what does your room look like? What things are in your room? Where are those things? What is your favorite thing? And why do you like it? You can start like this. My room is, and then keep talking. Don't stop if you make a mistake. If you forgot a word, use it simpler. If you make a grammar mistake, keep going. Your goal is not perfect. Your goal is keep speaking. Look around your room and take a breath and your 30 seconds start now. Stop. Well done. How did you do? Maybe you made a few mistakes. That's okay. You are here to practice, not to be perfect. Look at your progress. Day 1, you introduce yourself. Day 2, you talk about your daily routine. Day 3, you talk about your family. Day 4, you talk about your job. Day 5, you talk about your hobbies. And day 6, you describe your room in English. That's 6 day of speaking English. Tomorrow at day 7, we talk about your week and practice simple stories about what you did. Don't break the streak. Comment day 6 done. If finish all 6 days, commit 6 day completed. Subscribe and come back tomorrow. And remember, you don't become confident before you speak. You become confident by speaking. See you on day 7.